I'm expecting to see them run at the top or something. They've been in here in the last week or so, definitely. If not a couple days. I think we gotta go over to this hill and then come back over to the flatter stuff. Looks like he's just like stalking up the hill. I guess we'll go up where she's at. And then we'll come back down. But the way he's going up makes me think that she might actually have the scent. Yeah, I think we finally got him. Damn it. Foobarred it. Ape! Ape! Fetch! Come on, fetch! Right here. He's gone. Come on. Dead bird. Find it. Fetch! 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 I think she'll get it. Yeah. Good. Come. Eep! Come! Oh no, he lost his. Drop. Little bird, you're tiny. Dang it. New gun. I'm not used to shooting it. I shot this one coming over the top of me. Gator. Find a bird. Come on, find a bird. I can't imagine him dropping it if he found it. He's a pretty good retriever. He was coming back this way like he had one though. Like he had marked it. Find a bird. Find a bird. Find a bird, Eve. Find a bird. Find a bird. Come on, find a bird. Oh, he's got it. Find a bird, Gator. Right here somewhere. Is he running? Come on, find a bird. Oh, good dog. Drop. Did you not mark him quite right, Gator? I could have had 4 there, Gator, but I messed it up. So my fault. My fault. Huh, must have come down right there. There's Chukar flying right there. I don't think the camera can see them. They're about to sky or ridge over there. Oh, they landed right there on that finger. They jumped up from up there. It's probably not even the same group I just jumped. Probably a different one. Don't think this hill gets hunted very often. No good way to walk this little hill. Gator, come on. Jump. There's a bird. They're climbing. Right into the sun. That's nice. Can't see him. Holy cow, the sun was in my eyes. I couldn't see anything. I was a little far. Can't see him. Holy, look, another covey. They flew around the corner. Come. I'm lucky that one come close enough. Come here, Gator. Good boy. Double retrieve. Peep. Come. Come. Oh, pick it up. Come on, feathers. Come on. Come on. Drop. Drop. Good boy. Well, Gator, that's a lot less birds than we've seen come over here. But, deal with what we got. That was difficult to eat, but I did it. I didn't complain about not being able to shoot. Wah, sun's in my eye. Still got it done. So we might find. Here, you want some snow? Oh, that's hard. That's ice. That's not snow. Chukar tracks. There's birds up. There's a lot of sign in here. Bird flew over there. See it? Rock right there? That tall one? Right around the corner. So I guess we'll go after him and then we'll walk back. Because I only need one bird, huh? Because you were a good bird dog today. A good bird dog. And you're brown. Good girl. Come. 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 Eep. Come. Fetch it here. You're going to pick him up. You fetch him here. Come here. Drop. Drop. Would you look at that? One single bird. And I almost let him get away. Oh, there's birds. Come on. You're gonna bring it to me, brown dog. Come here. Gator, come here. Gator, come here. Come here. Drop. Good boy. Yeah, that's a big face, huh? You have a little face, Peep. Now we got bird. Is that a good bird? Roll your head over. There you go. Ah, pretty little bird. Good girl. Oh, Eep, she's not stopping. Ha! That's a pretty good covey. That might be the best covey we've jumped all day. There's more. There you go. Whew. Up past that grass now. Ah, land. There you go. Alright, well. We just jumped a bird right here. And they're looking at me like, why didn't you shoot? What's wrong with you? I'm broken, Eep.